Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is a speed test between Vivo V11 Pro and the Poco F1. Now before we get started, these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now for the speed test, I'll open the first 12 applications on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is. By the way, both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the applications have been updated to the latest version. Now let's see how they perform. In the speed test, as expected, Poco F1 was faster than Vivo V11 Pro. Now let's see how both phones perform in the memory management round. Now for the memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps on both phones in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. So let's see how they perform. In the memory management round, even though both phones came with 6GB of RAM, Vivo was able to keep more apps in memory. So Vivo V11 Pro is the winner in this round. So guys, for the final gaming speed test, I'll open the last few games on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster. I'm just going to fast forward it a bit to make it quick. While opening games, once again Poco F1 was noticeably faster than Vivo. So guys, on the whole, in terms of performance, Poco F1 is definitely better than Vivo, but when it comes to memory management, right now, Vivo is better. For some reason, Poco F1 is not using the whole 6GB of RAM. Once Xiaomi fixes that issue, it should be better. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test and memory management test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy any of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel, and if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag #AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.